Hi, attorney Adam Diamond here with Diamond Estate Planning. In this video, I want to talk with you about how to clearly communicate who you want to care for your children if something happens to you. When parents pass away and leave minor children behind, a guardian needs to be appointed by the court to take care of them. With the right paperwork in place, you can let the court know exactly who you want that to be. One way to do this is by creating and properly signing a will that explains who you want to take care of your kids. Now, what is a will? A will is a formal set of instructions to you, your loved ones, and the court, telling them what to do with your kids and all your stuff after you pass away. If your will explains who you want to take care of your kids, it creates a strong starting point for the court to figure out who will take care of them. By putting clear instructions in your will, you're directly telling the court who you want to take care of the kids, instead of the judge trying to figure it out on their own by reviewing other evidence. Now, how many people should you pick? When choosing who should take care of your kids, you should have at least a first, second, and third choice. You also want to make sure that some of these people are on the younger side in case something happens a little further down the road, like 10 or 15 years from now. For many families, picking these people is one of the hardest parts of creating a family legacy plan. If you're struggling with this decision, you may be relieved to know that you can change your mind. This doesn't have to be a permanent decision. Just make your best choices for now and move forward. We can course correct later. The worst family legacy plan is the one that's not finished. An unfinished plan doesn't do you or your loved ones any good. It also leaves the judge wondering who you actually wanted to take care of your kids. Move forward with a few quality choices now and avoid falling into paralysis by analysis and never getting started. A second critical part of making sure your kids go to the right person is a temporary guardianship. Now, what is a temporary guardianship? A temporary guardianship is a form that temporarily creates a guardian for your children. It also clearly shows the court who you want to take care of your kids if you become disabled. If you are disabled, a temporary guardianship can also protect your kids from being in the custody of the state while a guardian is formally appointed. The person you appoint can use this form to immediately act as the guardian for your children. This is a critical part of any family legacy protection plan when the family has minor children. Now note, a temporary guardianship form can create some immediate rights and can have legal consequences. Before you use this document, it is important to get legal advice from a local estate planning or family law attorney to make sure you understand how to use it correctly. By having both clear direction in your will and a temporary guardianship form filled out, if something happens to you, the court will have very clear evidence of who you want to take care of your kids. Now, no matter what your family situation is, the team at Diamond Estate Planning is ready to help you create a plan for a family legacy and avoid a giant mess when something bad happens. Over the years, we have helped hundreds of families plan their legacies. We're ready when you are. Give us a call or visit our website to schedule a free legacy protection session with our next available team member. Thanks.